How's it going, guys? It is Garrett with Gulf Coast Angling. I'm in Florida, and it's coming down. It is raining. It's snowing like nobody's business right now. Only been snowing for maybe an hour. We've already got pretty good dusting. This is wild. So, once in a generation storm, they're guessing 3 to 5, maybe 6 inches. So actually, significant accumulation for anywhere, much less the deep south. The roads should be impassable here soon. I'm hoping, not guaranteed, that we can make a quick run up tomorrow morning after the snow has passed and do a duck hunt. Not sure if that's going to happen. We can hope for the best. If it does, then I got the dogs with me. Maybe they'll get to retrieve in the snow. It's going to be cold for even them. They're having a blast right now, though. So as fun as this is, I'm not wearing the proper gear. So let me get inside, and hopefully tomorrow morning we'll be duck hunting.
Oh my god. Shoot. Jam. Oh. He jammed. Oh my god. I have never in my life.
Autumn. They might circle.
Oh shoot.
Oh,
Get
right
him.
here.
Nina. Here. My gun's jammed. Sit. Oh god, don't do anything. Here. God. Heel. Sit there.
This is going on YouTube.
Sit. Sit. Gosh dang it. What do I do? It's frozen. Sit.
Can you rack the bolt at all?
It's my safety and trigger is frozen.
Bird.
Oh my gosh. Sit.
What do we do?
Right there. Right here. This is ridiculous. My gun is frozen solid. So these birds are we're just bird watching today.
Oh, John's got one down, maybe two.
It's about 15 degrees. We got about 8 inches of snow last night, and figured we'd get on the woodies. So, I mean, our okay. Our first thought was to have a duck hunt. We thought we were done. I guess John just
Go, Nina.
killed another one.
So what happened this hunt?
I don't know how to prime a gun for snow, I guess. Because it was frozen solid.
We probably could have shot a limit if we had landed our shots.
Oh, we definitely would have shot a limit, yeah.
And
And I probably could have just picked out drakes at that point. They were right in my face.
instead, we got John hunting down
Sit.
the only birds that were shot, which was on his side over here. And I decided to film Autumn. So I don't really know what this video is going to look like.
It was just one of those mornings.
We'll
You got
find
some
out.
good footage while they were just swimming.
Yeah, we
in
got
front
some
of me.
great footage of a drake and a hen just chilling.
Here. Here? Oh, bless her. Here. Sit. Ooh. Sit.
That's a big drake.
He's seen better days, though.
What do you mean? Is he torn up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nina.
Now she has a target though.
Got wind of it. Good. In the snow. Oh. Yep. Sit. Sit. Want a picture of her like that?
Good girl, Nina.
Good. Good girl. That's a good dog. Gil.
You have a good shoot
Oh yeah,
with Autumn.
I had a beautiful shoot.
Solo.
Beautiful shoot.
You got at your own limit. I should have stood behind you.
Yeah. Man, this snow. I feel like we're in.
I'm so out of shape.
I guess North Dakota. I don't
Yeah.
know. But this is just incredible.
Hey, what'd you
We
get
got 4 woodies down.
Yeah.
Had the opportunity to shoot a lot more.
Yeah, we did. Had some gun failures and misfires. Guns don't act right when it's super cold.
And humid.
Nina, heel.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for tuning in, and for those of you who are watching from the Gulf Coast, I hope you enjoyed this once in a generation, once in a lifetime snow event. We certainly did. Although the gun malfunction limited our success, this was an experience we'll never forget. There aren't many people in the world who can say they duck hunted after a blizzard in Florida. If you're new here, I would love if you hit the subscribe button below right now. There will always be more duck hunting, deer hunting, and fishing videos in the near future. For those of you who may already be subscribed to me, I apologize for the lack of uploads in the past few months. My wife and I recently had our first child, and we've been sharing that life experience and navigating those new challenges together for about the past 6 months. So I'm hoping things are settling down and I'm able to get back to hunting and fishing and bringing you guys along for the ride. So thank you for watching either way. Hope you enjoyed this video and catch you next time.